So on the 5th of August, I was out at various locations chasing 1QX75. So my first catch up would be at Wishaw, where we'd see it the 1539 Moss End to Moss End via pretty much everywhere, running with 37116 and 610. And then we go to Carluke, where my first catch would be 1M44, the 1625 DB Cargo service to Warrington Royal Mail DBS from Shieldmere Mail Terminal with 325 006 004 and 005. And then this was 1QX75 passing at 1730. And then this was 4M80, the early 1839 turn up at 1830 Freightliner service to Crewe Basford Hall SSM from Coatbridge FLT with 98042 and 98048. And then this was 1QX75's return, passing through at 1838.